going on, YouTube? It's been a minute since I actually did this back in Oklahoma. Go back inside. No, go. Hey, go. God damn. Okay, never mind. It's been a minute since I actually was in Oklahoma. I'm back. There's a lot that happened that I really don't want to get into it, but we're gonna do a full actual reveal on this car. We're gonna do this because I don't want y'all to really see the car, because I don't know if y'all have yet. I gotta go back and watch some footage. I don't really know, but me and Logan are gonna go on a bike ride here in a little bit. So before he gets up here, I'm gonna put the car in the garage and then get ready, because when he gets up here, we're gonna record the reveal of the video, a good cinematic edit type thing. I'm gonna go on a bike ride, and then after that, we're gonna come back and we're gonna walk around the car, because we're not in Utah. There's no wind. We can talk. So yeah, bear with me. So anyways, welcome to the new car.
All they focus on
money, drugs, women, diamonds, gloves, strips, buds, dick, crumbs, back, lungs.
fuck it, I'ma run it up. They keep telling me to work less and party more, but ain't nothing coming out of my life being dirt poor. Cause I've been broke my whole life, ain't nothing come of it. I've been struggling my whole life, I'm tired of it. But you're too focused on the motherfucking money, bro. But you don't know the feeling of having nothing when you're coming up. So when I get it, you're damn right, I fucking spend it. Drop 100 on some foreign seats, they bout to go and rent it. I'm working hard for the things that I have. Ambition running too fast, I couldn't keep up with class. So do I drop out or just sit there and just watch my dream pass? This is my chances, it's a test, I pray to God that I pass. Money couldn't change me. They would all remain the same. They don't care where I'm coming from.
So everything y'all just saw was a couple days ago. That's been a minute. So I guess we'll start out by saying the obvious. I'm back in Oklahoma for now, at least for a minute. I don't know, we'll see. That's a story for another time. Anywho, so let's get back to it. So, turn this way. So, this is gonna be a new staple of the channel. It's a 2002 Roush Stage 2. Not many of them were made. It's a pretty rare car. It's a 4.8 with a 5-speed Tremec transmission, and there's some work done to the engine. There's some work done to the trans. It's a built trans and it's a built rear end. It's sitting on some, what are these? Nitto NT1s. I believe that's what these are. It's pretty good tires, honestly. For the power of this car is down, these are pretty sticky. I can't really complain with them. The only issue with, let me come back here. The only issue is, which it's just an alignment issue. It's just an alignment issue. pop the hood. So we'll start there. Oh, let's see. So here we have it. Like I said, it's just your normal 4.8 cold air intake. Has cams. The guy says it has forged internals, but he didn't have paperwork on it, so I'm not gonna sit here and say that it does until I dig into it, which I'm not digging into it for a while. The only issue with the car would be this terminal right here. Just every so often car will kill itself and drive through, won't turn back on. There's always some people here that I don't know. I mean, it's not a bad truck, but like, there's always people around here that I don't know. But has smoked headlights. So the bumper needs some body work done on it. It's nothing major. Like I said, for what it is, the car is in very good condition. Sad to say, I just rolled over 100,000 miles on this thing. I got the car, which when I bought the car, it had 92,000 miles. And we're sitting at that. But like I said, it needs cleaned a little bit, but she's a very solid car. Get some of that for you. And then you come down here. I'll see if I can get it to, there we go, kinda. But other than that, like I said, she's a good car. We'll get a little sound clip for y'all. Yeah, we're gonna end this out here. There'll be a little bit of driving stuff in the next video, but we're gonna take this inside, not this, but like this inside, and we're gonna talk a little bit inside. So I'll see you in a minute. Oh, if I can adjust that. No, we're going. Okay, so. This is like a 3-day fucking thing here. So I'm back in Oklahoma. I don't really want to get into that. Be a while before I really have anybody else on the channel. Like anybody. It'd be just me for a while. You might see Logan for a little bit. Who knows? Also, who's been playing Starfield? Because let me pause this real quick, or at least get out of where I'm at, so I can. Yeah, we'll go there. Give me a second, y'all. Okay. So yeah, I'm not really wanting to get into that whole conundrum anytime soon. I'll probably make a separate video on that. been fighting some pretty hardcore depression these last couple weeks. I've lost a little bit of weight because of stress. Sucks. Sorry, I got, like I said, for anybody that's been playing Starfield, this game is wild. Plans with the card. I plan on doing like a grid life, time attack type build with it, to be able to take it to events and stuff like that. Don't want to turn this into like a super high horsepower race car type thing. Just little things here and there to help the driving, stuff like that. Other than that, like I said, really that's it. Wheels, tires, couple engine mods, finish the exhaust out because it's open headers and an X pipe. It's a little loud. Harness bar, bucket seats, harnesses, suspension upgrades. Nothing major. Just keep it where it's at. Don't want to get up into super high modifications to it because I do like the car and I do want to daily this car. I want this car to be a fun daily that I can turn around and go have some fun with. Plans for the future of the channel. I'm gonna try to get into some streaming stuff, game wise, just to branch out. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. A lot more driving videos. I'm gonna invest in some GoPros and stuff and get a driving video going down. Maybe a few races, go to a bunch of events and stuff like that. I'll get to y'all later. Got a phone call, so hold on. Fucking phone calls. Back on subject. I'm just gonna try to change some things up on the channel, change some things up in my personal life, because like I said, like I have been fighting some pretty bad depression and stress and a bunch of other things. So really, when it comes down to it, it's just gonna be change some things up, like I said, have some fun. Not really gonna be focused. Like I'm gonna be posting a lot more than what I have been. Really, when it comes down to it, all I really want to say is I hope y'all doing good. It's been a minute since I actually sat down and talked to y'all. A couple months now. But I do hope that in the future everything is sorry. Yeah. I do hope, you know, everybody's doing good and everything's staying good for everybody. You're gonna be, like I said, there's not gonna be a lot of new people on the channel, but you are gonna see newer people on the channel. Other than that, yeah, I hope the best for y'all. Watch out for the next video. A couple Ricer mods are getting done to the car. Other than that, man, I'll see y'all on the flip side. Y'all stay safe, and like I said, keep a lookout for the next video. So yeah. Also, video, like I said, quality of the videos are gonna get changed. I'm gonna redo my intro again and try to do a lot better one this time. Take some ideas from some other people. So yeah, I'll see y'all on the flip side.